folks. This is Eli Harari, the Thinking Coach. That's the title I go by. And what I do is I do leadership seminars worldwide, and I deal with 10 basic skills in leadership, which actually encompass the basic soft skills that any professional needs. Because when you're a leader, first you got to be a leader of your own life. Otherwise, it's just nice words that people tell people. But today, what I'm going to deal with is the umbrella video of decision making. And we make so many decisions in our lives. And decision making has to be an art, especially when it concerns important decisions. And important decisions concern mostly people about people, and a person about themselves. And those decisions are critical to actually making business decisions. So I'm about to release 10 mini videos on the skill of decision making, 10 major aspects and critical things to be aware of, and not make those mistakes, because they lead to a consequence of chain of mistakes that you don't want to go. So decision making, which is essential part of our life. Already this morning we must have made 1,000 decisions that we do automatically. And we need to be conscious, because when you're conscious of decisions, you put power behind the decision. And there's nothing like your own power. When you empower a decision because you have reason, you have principle, you have values, and you have a purpose. When you do that, your decision can have a life and can make space, because it's a crowded world and people want things, but the decisions often tend to be fleeting things. And then they lose heart and they lose self-worth. And I don't want you to be that, because a professional should be first professional about how they think. And how they think will determine what decisions they will make and how they will make them. And there is a way to make decisions that narrows the margin of error. You can't have perfect decisions ever, but good 75% decision makes you a very successful person. So be ready, it's coming your way. Decision making, it should be an art, it should be taught everywhere, but it's not taught in educational institutions. And we do it all day long, and it makes you wonder why. Who made the decision not to teach decision making? Anyway, I'm about to release to you 10 small videos about this issue, and hopefully this makes sense to you. So this is me, Eli Harari, signing off for the first umbrella video for decision making.